Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. It is Monday, June 5th, and I have three exciting things to share with you today. First up, we are a proud participant in the All Carolina Shop Hop, and now we have the All Carolina Shop Hop magazines ready for pre-order. They should be here in July, and the most exciting part about all of this is that this is the quilt that I designed for our shop. So again, 2 out of 3 years not in a row, 2 out of 3 years, we have made it as the cover girls of the All Carolina Shop Hop magazine. So that's the quilt I designed. You can see it a little closer. I love the border print there that has all the little cars and trucks and vans and RVs going around the edges. And we will have kits for this available as well. And we're already taking pre-orders for that too. So I'll be sure to link in today's video how you can get a hold of one of the Shop Hop magazines as well as pre-ordering one of our kits. Next up, we have Love to All. 'Tis the season for peace, love, and joy for everyone. Celebrate with these fun prints, peace signs and flowers with rainbow colors. And this is by Freckle and Lolly. Wouldn't this be a cute dog bandana? Yes, it would. And then we have some very tiny print blenders. These are called Sew Fusion. New blenders with a tiny leaf motif, ready for all of your fall projects in red, gold, cream, and green. So these would go nicely with some of the holiday lines that we have headed our way. And I just wanted to share the rest of them with you. Now this one has a darker background with a lighter leaf, and then the other two that we've seen are the opposite. And then the red is also a darker or lighter background with a darker leaf. And I'll just stick my finger in there so you can see how super tiny all of that is. And that's what we have for you today. We hope to see you online or in the shop soon. Be sure to find some time to sew and some time for yourself today. You only get one life, and this is it. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.